Come on. In this video, we're gonna be doing a few photos here, behind the scenes photo shoot, using one light setup with high-speed sync. I've got Q here. She's gonna be modeling. She's gonna be helping out with this video. Guys, I'm gonna be walking y'all through step by step how I shoot. I'll be talking through so you can understand when it comes to composure, exposure, and just everything about the images that we'll be creating today. So enjoy the video and let's get going. Okay, so as I was walking up this ramp right here, let me see if you guys can see it. I noticed we got some pretty cool angles here, right? So we've got these leading lines here and the building kind of going up. I liked it a little bit, but actually there's this really cool light coming from right up there. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put her at the top of that line right there and then shoot with that in the background to get some creative lighting with this shot. But we have to hurry up because I don't know how long the sun's gonna be up. There we go. I'm gonna turn my flash up a little bit. All right, so for those of you at home, I'm shooting at f2. I've got my shutter speed at 1/1250 of a second. Oh, this is beautiful. ISO 100. And I've got my power, my AD400 at 1/4 of a second. Good, there you go.
So I get a lot of comments from you all asking what settings I'm using, what is my flash power at, and things of that nature. And when you're first starting out with photography, or if you've been shooting for a while, I think one of the most important things that you should learn is how to shoot in manual mode. Now, I'm not saying that you have to shoot in manual mode, right? You can shoot in auto, aperture priority, shutter priority, but you need to understand how each of the different components of exposure work, right? Shutter speed, aperture, and ISO. Because no matter how I'm shooting with my settings, where you shoot, whether you're in direct light, sunlight, it's cloudy, it's gonna be different, right? So you won't be able to exactly use the same setting as me. Obviously, if you're just curious, then yeah, but I think one of the biggest things that you can do as a photographer is understand how exposure works in each of the different things that affect light.
All right, so we just finished up with the rooftop shoot just now. We're still in the parking garage. There's the rooftop that we shot outside up there, actually in that corner over there. You can see where the sunlight was before. We kind of want to use the parking garage. There's a spot downtown that I planned to use when we first came out here. The street is blocked off here. They got all these buses and a bunch of construction. I don't know what the buses are for. There's like kids that they're like bringing out for something. But there's an area down on that side that I wanted to use, but it's blocked off and we're running out of sunlight. We may have to go down to the 3rd floor or the 2nd floor. And we may use the stairwell, but I figure, while we're here, we may as well just see what we can get. So let's go. Also, I was using the softbox initially. I may continue. Oh, look at Q. Look at Q. Look at her. Q, girl, you better wear that dress. You better wear that dress. Let's go. Yeah, so I'm very excited for this look we're about to get. She's changing her makeup. We're gonna walk around and see what we can find. So let's get it. Yep, bring it tight. Yep, just like that. Don't move, actually. Look down at your feet just like you was looking, just like that. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. Look at me. Don't change a thing. That's good. That's good. That's beautiful. There you go. I love that. I love that. Drop it. Yep. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. There it is. Look right at me. There it is. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep. Look up at the light for me. I love it. Bend that knee. Put it right where you had it. Yes, I love that. Drop that chin down for me. Good, right there. Look right at me, right here. Good, good. Work them shoulders, girl. Extend that right arm. No, not the left one. That left one could just sit how you had it. Bring that left one. Right here, just put it right here on your hip. Just kind of like, yeah, right there, perfect. There you go. Now give me that shoulder. Give me that shoulder, work it. Good. That's it, that's it, that's it. perfect. That's good. I'm gonna do one more and then we're done. Turn your body all the way, like hands here.
Am I still on the stairs?
Yeah, on the stairs right there. Let me see what it looks like. I don't know what this is gonna look like, but I love this. Let me move this to the side. That's beautiful. I love that, but look the other direction. Turn your head a little bit more. Turn your head to the, yep, right there. I love this. Let me make sure everything's good. Look right at me. Yep. Chin down a little bit. Right there. Good. Face that way though. Not like turn your head and then look towards me. Right there. Good. That's exactly what I want. Thank y'all so much for watching the video. I hope y'all enjoyed the content. Make sure you go follow Q on IG. I'll have her IG right here and down below in the description. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next video. Thanks so much for watching.